Hi, in this video, we will continue our lesson, and this is proposition 2.7, the Hahn decomposition theorem. Let V be a signed measure on the measurable space X script M. Then there is a positive set A, according to Hahn decomposition theorem, that there is a positive set A and an of V for V and a negative set for B of V for V, for which the union of these two is equal to X, so X itself, and A intersection B is empty set, so meaning disjoint, no? So nade mo exist na positive set o negative set nga disjoint. Kanya pag union nimo kay mo equal gid sa X. So ang Hahn decomposition is actually provides us the decomposition of X into a positive set and a negative set for which they are disjoint, and the union is equal to X. So muna siya ang Hahn decomposition theorem. So I'll try to explain the proof. Without loss of generality, we assume that positive infinity is the infinite value omitted by V. So wala na siya, no? Okay. Let this script P be a collection of positive subsets of X. So let this P be collection. So isulod na to tanan mga positive subsets of X. And we will define this one lambda to be the supremum of all the measures of the positive set, no? So ang mga E kay mga positive baya na siya nga sets, subsets. So pag positive subsets, okay, then ano na siya, no? So supremum, pinakadako nga value sa VE nga atong makita diha sa mga E sa P. Okay. Then of course the delta will be greater than or equal to 0. Equal to 0 siya since P contains the empty set, and we know that the empty set is greater than equal to 0. Di ba kung measure siya dapat equal to 0, so there is a possibility nga mo 0 siya, no? Okay. Let this be so we will also let this sequence be a countable collection of positive sets. So kaning mga AK dere kay mga positive sets for which kung imo siyang i-limit ang K to infinity, ang measure ni ana, okay, so kaning mga case ani, then mo equal daw siya sa lambda. Okay? According to Royden, we will define that A be equal to the union of all the union do nato tanan mga union nato tanan mga A sub case that runs from 1 to infinity, so that will be equal daw to A. So mo ni ang proposed na nga A, positive set A daw. Okay. Now, by proposition 2.5, katong naka-remember mo last time that the union of all positive sets is also positive. So, meaning, positive siya, no? Positive set. Positive sets is also positive. Alright? Okay? Since kini man kay supremo man siya sa tanang mga positive, so meaning di ay ang VA kay less na siya or equal to the lambda. Okay. Later we will prove that the lambda is equal to VA, no, itself. So it remains to show nga ang VA is greater than or equal to the lambda, no, kaya natay tuyo aning lambda niya. Okay, so now at this point na-prove lang nato pa nga lambda is greater than or equal to VA. Alright? So for the second part, on the other hand, for each K such that for each K for which A, okay, this one, so relative complement, no? So kung makita nimo kay mga AK kay subset lang siya, no? Kay union ba ito siya? So subset lang siya ni A. So meaning kini subset lang siya ni A, no? So subset siya, and so the VA is V of this one is greater than 0. Okay? Thus, VA is, we know that VA is equal to VAK plus its the measure of its complement. So that is greater than or equal to V of K. Alright? Since for every K man, so for every K, okay, so for every K, and so ana siya, no? So meaning, for every K, kung naibawan to ganiha dere nga sa kada K, no, when K is greater than, approaches to infinity, mo equal siya sa lambda, no? So which means to say, hence we have this one is V of A is greater than or equal to lambda. So nanataying ani, nanaputaying ani, so which means to say that they are equal. Alright? And so the lambda is less than the, or finite, no? Kay since V does not take the value of infinity, so as we have hypothesized na omitted na siya by the value of V. Okay? So na-prove na nato nga mo ni siya, no? Mo ni importante. Okay. So na-prove na nato, no, ganiha nga positive set siya. Katong lambda na lang atong kuan ganiha, mga subsequent discussion, kay gusto na to pangitaon tong isa na pod tong B. Okay? Sige. So nanatay positive set. Okay. Now, on the other hand, pangitaon na to tong negative nga set. Now, according to Royden, let B be X complement A. So mo daw ni siya. So ang B daw kay complement daw. So atong i-prove nga ang B kay negative set. Okay? Now we will do this by contradiction to show that B is negative. Now kung contradiction, so kung negative ang ato ang gusto, so pag contradiction, imo assume ta nga B is not negative. Okay? Kung dili siya negative, then there is a subset E of B with a positive measure. Diba? Kung kuan siya positive, therefore there is a positive measure, no? Kay naatay okay, kung ang positive for every measurable subset of a positive set kay positive. Okay, so nagid siya ay subset na kung positive ang katong B, so meaning tanan mga measurable subset niya kay positive pod. So there is a positive subset of E that is of positive measure. And therefore by Hans lemma, okay? So unsa gay itong Hans lemma? Pag naa siya then by Hans lemma, a subset E sub 0 of B that is both positive and negative, that is both positive and of positive measure. Di ba? Ano man tong sa lemma? Naaday mo exist na sa B, unsa pa na siya nga subset, unsa na siya nga set, positive man siya, no? By Hans lemma, so ang Hans lemma kay kuan man to, there is a measurable subset E that is positive and of positive measure. So there exists a measurable subset E sub 0 that is both positive and negative measure. Itong Hans lemma. Then A, okay, so ang buhaton na to kay na naman taan eh. Then we will union na to ang A union of E sub 0. Then A union E sub 0 is positive set. Okay? Di ba? Pag union imong positive, positive, positive siya. So, positive, no? And so, we have this one. Okay? So, V of, or the value of V at A union E sub 0 is equal to this one plus the measure of this one. Alright? Kay, kuan man siya. Disjoint man no? Disjoint man ng E og kini. Diba? Kay subset raman siya aning B, which is the complement of A, no? Okay, pero kay positive man ni siya, positive subset niya. Remember, this one is the supremum of the positive, supremum siya sa tanang VE nga wherein E is the member of this script P. Nya kani kay mga positive man na siya. So meaning kani ang kinadak-an, no? Ang delta. So kini kay positive man. So expect dapat ni nga ang measure ani kay no delta. Okay. Kani kay mas dako man dapat ni siya. Pero ang nahitabo diri kay less lang siya. Okay? So dapat pinakadako ni siya kay supremo man siya sa tanang mga measure sa positive set. So positive ba yan eh. So there is clearly a contradiction of the choice of delta. So which means to say that B now is a negative set. So we are done. So meaning naa di ay positive set A nya napoy negative set B nga ing ani. Okay? So gituyo to niya tong ing ani dere. Kini siya dere kay okay, kabalo siya nga mangita siya og disjoint, no? Disjoint siya pa at the same time yun nimo. So ang pinaka-kuan gyud ana kay kini, ang pinaka plausible choice kay kini. So that would be all for the proof of Hans decomposition theorem. So again, Hans decomposition theorem is a decomposition of X, no, into positive set A and a negative set B. Later we will learn the Jordan decomposition theorem, and it turns out that decomposition is the decomposition of the signed measure V. So that would be all for this video. Thank you very much and stay tuned for the next part. Thank you.